Hello guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. What are we gonna do today? Well, today we're gonna reset the service reminder. Of course with the help of the MotoScan app. Because I did an oil change and then I want to reset the service reminder. It was already due to service, it was service. Come have a look. See, service. Okay, but that's no problem. Guys, this is what we need. The MotoScan app hardware. Look in the description below and you find all the things you need, the hardware, to do this, and also a link to the software. Over here is the diagnostic connector. We're gonna connect that special cable to it. Very easy. Then guys, we take the MotoScan 2100. It's a Bluetooth OBD2 device. It connects the bike by Bluetooth to the app, the MotoScan app on your phone. So easy. We're gonna plug it in. Then you see this red LED is shining, so that's good. Then we're gonna put the bike on ignition. We wait for the Atari to do all his magic. Beep, beep. Yes, that's about here. Then we're gonna we're gonna open the MotoScan app. Look over there. As you can see, I have the MotoScan app Ultimate. Guys, it costs 50 euros. And you have a lifetime update and can do as much bikes as you want. For all your friends, reset the service reminders, do all kinds of diagnostic things with it. The first thing we're gonna do then is do an adapter check. That's over here, adapter check. Already found the MotoScan, that's that device. And then scroll down. 3 times yes, in green, always good. Hoppa. This is an R series. And it's a K25. And then we go to the instrument cluster, the combi. And there you can see service reset. Okay. Please wait. It's set to 9082. It's because I had to remove the battery. So don't worry about that. We're gonna first then reset the motor date, just for the fun. Reset, okay. Then you go back. Okay. See, 2/2/2026. Then you can go for the one-click reset. That's so easy. Now watch. One-click reset. Okay. The next service is at 100,000 kilometers 2 to 27 next year. But now let's see. I wanted to have it at 30 maart. Okay. Reset. Okay. And there it is. Check. Okay. Now, we're gonna read the trouble codes. Also important. No trouble codes found. Okay. Well done. Now, then we close the MotoScan app. We're gonna put the bike off ignition. And in the meantime, we're gonna take the hardware away, our Bluetooth interface. Then, okay, stay. Sometimes you have to talk to it. Then put the cap back on and put this one in place in its holder. Then, okay. This one out of the way too. Then, guys, get over there. Put the bike on ignition. Even kijken. A lot of. I think maybe this will do. Yeah. See, the service is now set to 327, which is good. No service reminder anymore. Guys, was that easy or not? Now guys, that was my video. How to reset the service reminder. And we looked at the fault codes. Also, no fault codes, which is good. It resetted automatically the clock, which is also good. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, share my channel with all your friends on the social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X. And I hope to see you the next time. And for now, Old Mechanic out.